everybody. Welcome to our new facility in Goose. Unfortunately, this year our distributor meeting is different than all the previous years. Obviously, with all the crisis going on, you guys are not possible to travel here to Goose. Very unfortunate. However, I would like to give you a tour through the company. I hope you're all safe and healthy at this moment. And so please join me to give you a small tour and show you our new building. And hopefully next time when things are over, they will be able to join us. So the first and most important room here in the company is our canteen where people are sitting here having coffee. You can see I'm very colorful. All the chairs in different colors, so bring some happiness into the company. Most important equipment here in the company, the coffee machine. Yep. So we have 2 floors. So you can see that the first floor where we have all the production, all the facilities, and on the top floor we have all the offices and the training room that I will show you. The room is our application lab. So I don't know if you have visited the previous building. We didn't have this kind of room. So now at this moment we will use the room here, especially for application development. Additional, we would use it for trainings and customer samples. And you can see we have a TV hanging there. We can do some trainings and hands-on in this room. So there's enough room. We'll put, of course, we're waiting for the HPLCs to arrive, so we'll put them there for the next sessions. Yeah, so we have live gases connected and we can connect any equipment here, DC, DCMS, HPLC. Good. Here we have our customer service. You can see who are the people actually here in the customer service. So Max and Lydia sitting here. And most of you know them personally or by email. So we have here our buyers, Mr. Rink, sitting here. Normally we have more people, but because of the current situation, some people are working from home. Application and custom solutions are here. We're mostly planning here on this side. And we walk through the production room. So you can see our production. As I said, this moment really open. What we have the assembly on that side directly connected to the testing area. So we have this bench special made for testing the MS, the GCMS, and on this side you can see several benches for the test of the rest of the applications. So yeah, on this way our assemblers assembling all the GCs before they go into the separate testing. This is some incomplete GCs, but we are still working on it. Okay. So you have this room for any customization. Anything has to be drilled or cut or whatever. That's okay. Light goes on automatically. And then next we have our warehouse. So you can see actually the warehouse here will have all the parts. There's a bigger warehouse on the top for all the parts. So the warehouse people are sitting there in that office. All the GCs that have been finished to be shipped are on these sides. All the parts are here. And we're gonna go very fast to the top floor. We have all the stairs. So in this room we have, see the warehouse for all the consumables, all the spares, what is needed, columns, etc. So it's a separate floor. Yep. We pass it. We're gonna go up to show you the our training room and the space here where we can actually have more people sitting. At this moment, it's used for meetings or our meeting room. We're gonna use for a training room, who's big enough maybe to have about 20 people sitting here and doing the trainings. So where we can have the theoretical part here and the practical part there. Additional, we have some offices here. Our cells and a chromatography expert sitting here. So Ronnie is here. Famous Ronnie. So Oksana, who's sitting there in the training room, actually is our new sales support. Normally Rob is sitting here, product manager, because at this moment he's at home working from home, as many of us. We have separate some small meeting rooms that we use for small meetings. So you can see a big change in advantage compared to the building we had before. The small meetings where we have some small meetings. My office. So I'm sitting here. Well, at this moment I do a lot from home, and then I hope you have an idea about how the new building is set and how the facilities actually. We have made sure that we're working very efficiently. If you look at the production from assembly, production, testing, and on the other hand, adding the application lab. We are planning to add more application people, especially for the new product HPLC. And I think it's a very good start of 2020, despite all what's happening now. So thank you very much, and I hope you all stay safe and healthy, and hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.